If you've ever seen that little blue genius tag on booking.com and thought, how do I get that? You are not alone. I used to think it was some secret club. Turns out it is really simple. Genius Level 1 is open to everyone. No minimum bookings. The moment you make an account and log in, you are genius. And you start getting 10% discount on select listings right away. Nothing to unlock, you just need to start making your booking. And after that, you get to level 2. If you book 5 stays in 2 years, and that's when you start getting 15% discount, plus free breakfast or even occasional room upgrade, depending on the place. Then there is Genius Level 3, and that's for the frequent travelers. You hit that after 15 days in 2 years, and booking.com starts treating you real nice. You get up to 20% discount, priority support, and better cancellation flexibility with some properties. Now, here is a quick tip. Always log in before booking. If you book without logging in, that stay won't count towards your Genius level. Booking.com won't track it, no credit, no perks, and I've messed up before, so don't be me. Also, not every property offers Genius deals. It is optional for the hosts. So when you're browsing, use the Genius filter to find places where the discount actually applies. And no, it's not a paid program, no fees, no subscription. You just get rewarded for using the platform regularly. So yeah, that's how the Genius program works. Super simple. Just make sure you get a booking.com account and you will start getting that 10% Genius discount right away. I'll drop the direct link to booking.com's registration page down in the description. One click and you are in. Easy. And if you have made it to level 2 or 3, drop me a comment and let me know, was it worth it? Did you get anything cool or was it just meh? All right, catch you in the next one. Bye.